We live in the times when consumers demand sustainable food products and food companies declare their sustainability goals. There is also an increase in environmental regulations. However, sustainability has not been clearly defined, leaving a lot of room for interpretation. A lot of the responsibility to be more sustainable falls on farmers' shoulders, but farmers aren't the ones currently defining what sustainability means in the industry. We at Land O'Lakes hope to change that. Land O'Lakes is in a unique position to lead the food and ag industry to define sustainability. Because we are owned by farmers and ag retailer cooperatives and represent the entire farmer to fork spectrum of food and ag production. We are the industry. Our almost century-old cooperative created Land O'Lakes Sustain, which is rooted in the idea that meaningful sustainability is farmer-owned and farmer-driven. Land O'Lakes Sustain is the fourth business unit of our company. It is an integral part of the Land O'Lakes enterprise and its commitment to preserve the freedom to operate for the food and ag industry. The value to Winfield United is that Land O'Lakes Sustain focuses on innovation and business development to support the Winfield United owners that participate in the Sustain program. To make the maximum impact, we focused our sustainability efforts in three areas of improving: air quality, soil health, and water quality and quantity. Through the network of over 20 ag retailers in the U.S. and Canada, Land O'Lakes Sustain implements conservation agronomy programs and creates innovative and business development opportunities to support Winfield United owners and growers they serve. Another key focus area is establishment of baseline metrics that will help define sustainability for the food and ag industry. By the end of 2019, we expect to establish baseline metrics on 1 million acres of row crops. The size and reach of the Land O'Lakes Sustained retail network are projected to grow exponentially. How is the Sustainable Acre established? Via Truterra Insights Engine, the first of its kind digital platform to support farmer-led stewardship. This tool fully integrates 8 sustainability metrics and associated algorithms from Field to Market's FieldPrint calculator. Growers and their agronomy advisors identify approximately 100 data points per field that are entered into the algorithms to identify the sustainability baseline and provide recommendations for continuous improvement in sustainability and profitability. Truterra Insights Engine pulls field boundary data from Data Silo. We collect farm metrics like field management, soil testing, nutrient management, fertilizer application, pest management, and conservation adoption. From the input, we create a baseline of a grower's stewardship efforts called the Insight Score. The score ranges from 0 to 100, with 100 being the maximum possible score. Truterra allows us to run a simulation of how certain changes in field management practices affect the insight score. In this example, we are changing from mulch till to no-till, which moved this field's soil management from moderate to advanced and improved the insight score by 16 points. One of the unique features of Truterra Insights Engine is the nitrogen use efficiency map. They provide an acre-by-acre view of underutilized opportunities for the grower. Truterra allows us to balance sustainability and profitability and generates profit insights for each field. In this example, Truterra shows directional change between different tillage types and enhanced nutrient management practices and their impact on the bottom line. To illustrate some of the sustainability concepts, Truterra calculates potential improvements in soil erosion and greenhouse gas emissions, as the number of dump trucks full of topsoil that no longer will be leaving the field, or the equivalent number of cars taken off the road annually. In some situations, improvements in sustainability come at a cost and may not be financially feasible. The Truterra Insights Engine has a valuable feature that recommends available NRCS and EQIP programs that can help offset the cost of such sustainability improvements. Each sustained retailer has a champion trained on Truterra Insights Engine. There is a goal to enter 1 million acres in Truterra in 2019. With respect to data privacy, growers receive only their individual results, while sustain owners can analyze aggregated data dashboards for their customers. They will be able to utilize some of the Truterra recommendations to identify untapped sales opportunities and support business growth. We are actively developing relationships with food and food ingredient companies that need the sustainable acre data on crops they source for their products. Notable partners include Tate & Lyle, a global ingredient supplier interested in sourcing sustainable corn in the Midwest and strengthening its corn syrup business with Coca-Cola. There is a similar collaboration with Campbell's on wheat acres in eastern U.S. to support sustainability of the Goldfish Cracker brand. Land O'Lakes Sustain and Truterra received endorsements from multiple non-government organizations focused on sustainability, like the Environmental Defense Fund, the Nature Conservancy, the Environmental Initiative, to name a few. The Winfield United sales team is now able to add Truterra Insights Engine to its portfolio of precision agronomic insights and tools when working with sustain owners. Truterra recommendations support the use of products and additional sales opportunities. Land O'Lakes Sustain helps Winfield United retailers tell their stewardship story and protect their and their customers' license to operate. Certain product categories sold by Winfield United have a natural connection to sustainability. Fertilizer additives help improve nitrogen and phosphorus uptake by plants and reduce nutrient loss into the environment. A conventional sales approach for fertilizer additives focuses on yield and profit outcomes. Land O'Lakes Sustain can add another dimension to this conversation by translating the benefits of fertilizer additives to the environment and social responsibility. In 2016, use of instinct nitrogen stabilizer helped corn growers produce an additional 50 million bushels of corn. That amount of corn would have required 357,000 additional acres of land, 2.5 times the area of California's redwood forest, to be planted with corn. These messages resonate with customers making decisions based on sustainability, emphasizing the sales message with an environmental and social perspective helps differentiate Winfield United from other marketers of fertilizer additives. This additional production that utilized the existing crop acres and resources also provided 175 million in additional revenue to corn growers. Also in 2017, sustained retailers showed a 3% greater sales growth in fertilizer additives versus other Winfield United owners. Ask your retailer what's 1 percentage point worth to their bottom line. The Catalyst program has a proven track record generating value to Winfield United owners and growers they serve. It supports business strategies aimed to improve efficiencies, increase retailers' potential profit, and optimize customer satisfaction and retention. There is now a sustained Catalyst corn grower pack to support the fertilizer additives portfolio and drive stewardship practices. The pack is available exclusively to sustain owners. In addition, they are offered a growth-based incentive on the fertilizer additive product category. Additional packs, including other crops and Winfield United product categories, are in development for crop year 2020 and beyond. Land O'Lakes Sustain leads creation of demand, definition, metrics, and legislative environment to support the food and ag sustainability efforts. Winfield United sales team, together with Ag Customer Team and Land O'Lakes Sustain, can provide greater value and context to agronomic inputs and insights. We are part of the Land O'Lakes enterprise committed to sustainability of farmer to fork and proud to lead the industry in finally defining what sustainability means and working towards meaningful, measurable improvements in stewardship efforts and profitability for our grower and retail owners.